Welcome to Proving the Concept, the podcast where we dive deep into the weird, wonderful, and sometimes downright bizarre world of science and technology. I'm your host, Sarah Goffin, and today we're tackling a topic that's as explosive as it is fascinating. Sparks will be flying today because that's right, today is all about fireworks. We'll uncover the science behind their dazzling displays, their rich history, and the engineering marvels that make them possible. We'll also explore some fun and quirky facts about fireworks, the environmental challenges they pose, and the innovations designed to overcome these challenges. As always, we'll close by spotlighting a trailblazing female scientist whose groundbreaking research is helping to redefine the field of pyrotechnics. So grab a seat, relax, and prepare to have your mind blown. Let's start with the science, because at their core, fireworks are a stunning blend of chemistry and physics. Every firework has four main components. The shell, this houses the entire device and keeps it intact until detonation. The fuse, the ignition system that determines when and how the firework will explode. The charge, this explosive material propels the firework into the air. And the stars, these are small pellets that contain metal salts and other chemicals responsible for creating colour, light, and effects. The breathtaking colours in fireworks come from specific chemical compounds. Red comes from strontium salts or lithium salts, green from barium salts, yellow from sodium salts, blue from copper compounds, orange from calcium compounds, and white sparks from titanium, aluminium, or magnesium powders. When the firework ignites, the heat excites the electrons in these metal salts. As the electrons fall back to their ground state, they release energy in the form of light. Blue fireworks are particularly challenging to produce because the copper compounds used to create the colour are unstable at the high temperatures required for combustion. This instability often results in a washed out or pale blue rather than vibrant blue the chemists aim for. Let's not forget sound. Fireworks produce their booms and crackles through rapid gas expansion and pressure waves. The specific sounds depend on the fireworks design and additives. And there's even more science at play. Timing, trajectory, and precision all matter. It's an intricate dance of chemistry, physics, and engineering. Now that we understand the science, let's take a step back in time. The history of fireworks is as fascinating as the displays themselves. Fireworks were first invented in China more than 2,000 years ago. Early versions involved bamboo stalks filled with gunpowder. When heated, the bamboo exploded, creating loud bangs that were thought to scare away evil spirits. By the 9th century, Chinese alchemists had developed gunpowder, a combination of saltpeter, sulfur, and charcoal. These early fireworks became central to Chinese celebrations, symbolizing joy, prosperity, and protection against bad luck. Fireworks made their way to Europe in the 13th century, likely through trade routes. European scientists and craftsmen adapted the technology, and by the Renaissance, fireworks had become a symbol of wealth and power. Royal courts used them to celebrate military victories and special occasions. The 19th and 20th centuries saw significant advancements in fireworks. Italian chemists introduced metal salts to create vibrant colours, and modern engineering made displays safer and more elaborate. Today, fireworks are used worldwide to mark everything from national holidays to weddings. And let's not forget their cultural significance. Fireworks are deeply tied to celebrations. Whether it's New Year's Eve, Diwali, or the 4th of July, they bring people together in awe and wonder. Now let's explore some fun, quirky, and surprising facts about fireworks. The Guinness World Record for the largest firework ever launched goes to Steamboat Springs, Colorado. In 2020, they launched a firework weighing nearly 2,800 pounds, creating an explosion over a mile wide. Traditional fireworks can be distressing for animals. To address this, scientists are developing quiet fireworks. These focus on creating dazzling visual effects whilst minimizing noise pollution. Did you know NASA has experimented with pyrotechnics in space? In 1967, they tested chemical releases in orbit to study the upper atmosphere. The bursts of colour were visible from Earth. Fireworks can influence weather patterns. The smoke particles act as cloud seeding agents, sometimes leading to light rain after a large event. Disneyland is one of the largest consumers of fireworks in the world. They've pioneered air launch technology, which reduces environmental impact and improves precision. From world records to space experiments, fireworks are a constant source of curiosity and innovation. While fireworks are beautiful, they're not without their downsides. Traditional fireworks can have significant environmental impacts. Fireworks release fine particulate matter into the atmosphere, which can contribute to air pollution. The metal salts used to create colours are particularly harmful to the environment. Firework debris often ends up in rivers, lakes, and oceans, posing risks to aquatic life. The loud booms and bangs can cause stress for wildlife and domestic animals, as well as noise disturbances for people. Fortunately, scientists are working on solutions. Firstly, biodegradable fireworks, using plant based materials for casings and binders to reduce litter. Non toxic formulas, replacing harmful chemicals with safer alternatives. Silent fireworks, designed to minimize noise whilst maintaining visual appeal. These innovations show us that we can preserve the magic of fireworks while being kinder to the planet. To close our episode, we're shining a light on Dr. Gemma Foster, a chemist and pyrotechnics expert whose groundbreaking research is redefining fireworks. Dr. Foster's work focuses on sustainability in pyrotechnics. She's developed eco-friendly blue fireworks, a stable formula for brilliant blue colours using plant-based binders and safer copper compounds, as well as biodegradable casings, firework shells that break down naturally, reducing environmental waste. Beyond her research, Dr. Foster is a passionate advocate for diversity in STEM. She hosts workshops for young women, introducing them to the joy of chemistry and inspiring the next generation of scientists. Dr. Foster's work reminds us that science can be beautiful, impactful, and sustainable. And that's a wrap on today's episode of Proving the Concept. I hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the science, history, and future of fireworks. Don't forget to follow or subscribe so you'll never miss an episode. And until next time, stay curious and keep proving the concept. Bye for now.